Hi guys, hello everybody. How you guys doing? It's your favorite girl, Debbie, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to see my face, my beautiful face. Welcome back to see my madness. Welcome back to all my display and everything. I'm really excited to have you guys here again. It's another interesting episode, and I have something great for you guys. Anyway, yesterday was Canada Day. Sorry about that, guys. Happy Canada Day, and hope you guys had fun. So mine was cool. Actually, I enjoyed it and I time spent time with my friends. We went out in the evening. It was actually someone's birthday, so we just did like the two celebrations together. And I made lots of food. As you guys know, I already love cooking, so it was quite interesting for me. And I was supposed to make moi-moi yesterday, which was Canada the 1st July. But because of all these activities and after all the other cooking I did, I was quite tired. So I decided to make it today. And I'll be carrying you guys along because I'm making special Nigerian moi here in Canada. And my friends are going to come over and test. I think I'm going to do like a review. They'll tell me what they think about it. I don't know yet. I'm still going to think about it because somebody's eyes are already turning around and they might not want to give a review, but let's see how it goes. Anyways, before we get down into business, if this is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie and I'm really excited to have you here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop nice comments. Like, guys, I need your comments. Tell me what you think about my moi moi, and share to your family, your friends, your loved ones, and everybody. So I'm kind of in a haste because, so guys, as I was saying, I'm kind of in a hurry right now because we have something to do later this evening, and I need to make sure this morning, because I have been postponing, I need to make it today. So yeah, so now let's start the process. I have I washed my beans already. I got the beans from African store. So I'm sorry I didn't show you guys. I'm going to show you the packet of the beans, but I've washed the beans already and it's soaked. And my egg is boiling because I'm using egg and fish. So my egg is boiling and my fish is ready. So now it's just to blend the beans, the pepper, onion, every stuff that I'm using that needs to be blended. Blend all of them and then start. So I actually got a foil to make this moment because when I had plans on making moment, I had to get a foil. Then when I got to the African store, I don't know what this leaf is called, so I'm not just going to call the name so you guys know laugh at me. But then I saw that leaf and I was very excited when I saw the leaf. So I'm no longer using a foil. I'm using the leaf and it's going to even help you guys. Some of you that don't know how to, wrap that leaf and prepare a moment with the leaf. So watch me today and learn how to wrap your leaf for your moi. So now guys, are you ready? If you're ready like I'm ready, let's head to the kitchen and start our food preparation. Don't forget to remain your favorite girl, Debbie. Don't go anywhere. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this. Even if you don't know how to make moi, at least there are one or two things you can pick from this my, what should I call this? Moi cooking. My moi recipe. So I'm calling it my special Nigerian moi. Okay, now let's head over to the kitchen. I think I've said enough.
This is my blended beans, fresh pepper, blah blah blah. I actually got these beans from the African store from my previous video. So yeah, I just finished blending it and this is the unblended one. So let's keep blending.
So guys, these are my ingredients. Of course, this is my beans that I've blended. Inside it we have our fresh pepper. I don't know if it's tatashi or shombo, one other pepper. Then I added little ginger. So I'm going to be working on this one. I'm going to add my seasoning cubes and the rest and the rest. So yeah, this is my boiled egg that I just chopped down. My leaf that I've washed thoroughly. And then this is, I got fresh fish, so I just seasoned it and I did this small oil sauce for it just to add taste to it. Yeah, it has been in my fridge since yesterday, so I'll be adding it. Um groundnut oil, vegetable oil. So this is everything I'll be using. So now let me start with this by adding my seasoning and everything before we make our leaf, and food will soon be ready. So guys, right now I'm going to put my seasoning cubes, crayfish, salt, and vegetable oil. So let me just put in our seasoning cube first. and then proceed to put our crayfish. You already guys already know I'm not a fan of salt, but I'm still going to put little salt in my food. After that, this is the crayfish I got from the African store. It's blended already, and I just had to cut it open. I love crayfish, and crayfish kind of hard taste, and this crayfish is very sweet in moi moi. So just put in my crayfish too, and then we'll go ahead and stir. So now I'll just add little salt, just small salt, and then little water because this is too thick. Small water and stir. Yeah, we notice I see added a little bit of should I call it dry blended pepper? Yeah, that's the name. So I've added everything that needs to be in here. So I'll just still put a little bit of water too. So it's not supposed to be too thick and it's not supposed to be watery. I think I'm okay with this texture. Guys, when I was a little girl, whenever I see my mom making moi moi, and then when she gets to this stage, after putting everything, she's going to test. Then I used to feel so irritated, like, mommy, why will you be testing raw beans? But now I feel like I'm mommy because I can actually test raw beans while making mine. So I'm just going to test. Mm. So now adding in the oil I prepared already that I used to preserve my fish. If you want to know the secret of or know how I made this oil, send me a comment or on any of my social media platform, and I'm going to send you a special secret video or tell you this my secret recipe on how I made this oil. You can see that I also added color to my moi moi. I love this. So this is my secret oil recipe. Like I said, if you want to know how I got my special oil, feel free to send me a message and I will tell you how I made mine. Okay, so it's time for our wrapping. So guys, it's wrapping time. So I'm about to start wrapping. Normally you're supposed to use 2 leaves, but I'm using 3 because my leaves are a bit 2 week old. So they some of them have holes, so I'm using 3. So that my leaf has been properly washed with warm water and salt. So let's start wrapping. This is how you arrange your leaf, and then from the down or from the root, whatever you call it, you start bending, twisting or bending, whatever it's called, till you get to the last one. You can see what I'm talking about. My leaves are old, and then this down part, you fold it to this angle. Make sure everywhere is properly covered, and you use your hand to bore the hole where your moi moi is going to sit in, and then you come and use your spoon to scoop. First of all, always make sure you stir before you collect. And yeah, so that you don't have to fully, so they can be spaced because it's still going to rise. Put your eggs and your fish in it. So how to seal it or how to close it? You still bend it like this, and or let's put it to the same direction where the other one is so that you can know how to sit it in your pot. Bend it like this, and it's sealed. So now this is my pot of boiling water. You come and place it inside your pot of boiling water. Moi-Moi is on the fire right now. After wrapping it, I still use the leaf to cover it up, and it's boiling. So I'm going to go and relax for a bit, and I will come back after a while to check it. There's progress. It's ready. I just brought it out, and I have to take the first test. Now I'm going to test this one for the pound. I bring out the main one. I will eat with my gari. Like guys, it's moi and gari or custard. So let me go and relax first of all and test this one before my guys will now come and eat, and then they'll tell me what they think about it. Okay, see you guys in the testing in testing section. Let me go and test my. Hey guys, so I'm done eating. I'm very sorry, guys. I forgot to make video. I had it with custard, and the custard was heaven. So the boys have taken their own food and they refuse to make review. I know these guys are going to make video about the food. They say the food is nice, but you cannot say he has stage fright. Don't be say he has his camera shy. Uma, what was Uma's excuse? I know they appear for camera, so they refuse to make review. But anyway, they really enjoyed the food, so it was really nice. So thanks for watching so far, and I hope you picked one or two things from this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe, share and like this video. And thanks for sticking with me. You can see in my face, I'm already very tired. It's time for me to sleep. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, I remain your favorite girl, Debbie. Mwah.